Hi, and welcome to this lecture on using FModel, one of the best tools for exploring and extracting assets from Unreal Engine games. In this lesson, you'll learn where and how to download FModel, how to open and explore .pack files, how to preview and export game assets like textures and sounds, how to check which Unreal Engine version your game uses, and how to identify which assets are safe to mod. Let's begin with the download process. How to download FModel. FModel is an open source tool developed by fan communities. You can download it safely from its official website. On the website, just click the Download Now button. Once downloaded, extract the files to a folder and run fmodel.exe. Important tip: never download FModel from unofficial websites or random mod forums. Always use the official website or GitHub to ensure it's safe and up to date. Finding the game's Unreal Engine version. Before loading the game files, we need to know which Unreal Engine version the game uses. This is important because FModel needs the correct version to decode and preview the assets. Here's the easiest and most reliable way to check. Check the X file properties. Right-click the game's X file, usually located in the main install folder. Click on Properties. Go to the Details tab. Look for the field called Product Version or File Version. You'll typically see something like 5.2, 1.0. This means the game was built using Unreal Engine 5.2. 1. Using FModel to open game files. Choose the correct Unreal version. FModel will begin scanning the game's files and populate the asset list, browsing and previewing assets. Once loaded, you'll see a virtual folder structure. Browse through it to find textures, audio files, meshes, localization files, blueprints. Click any asset to preview it directly in FModel. Exporting assets. To extract an asset, right-click and choose Export Raw Data. You can then edit them in external programs like Photoshop, GIMP, Audacity, or Notepad++. What can you safely mod? As a general rule, textures, UI, sounds, and text can be safely replaced. Avoid editing gameplay blueprints unless you're advanced. Always preserve original file names and paths. And remember, most games load modded assets as override.pack files, so you don't need to overwrite the base game. In this lecture, you learned how to download and install FModel, how to detect your game's Unreal Engine version, how to open, pack files and explore assets, how to export textures, audio, and text. In the next lecture, we'll start working with the assets we exported and build your very first localization mod. See you there.